Okay divas, so in today's video I'm here to share with you guys some news, so if you guys are interested then definitely stay tuned. Okay divas, so let's just jump right in. I started a press-on nail line and it is called Nailed Glam. I will have my Instagram handle and my website of course down in the description box below, but yes, so I started and it was basically because I was getting asked by so many people like, how do you change your nails so often and your nails are cute and stuff like that, and it was a wow, you know, and I even had like over 10 people ask me if I can make them a set, and I was just like, oh, I don't know. So and it is something that I love, and I've noticed like over the time, like I was kind of like you guys, but over time I was like, I really love doing this. I really love creating different nails. I've always loved nails and everything for a long time now. I'm embarrassed to say over 10 years. So yeah, so I was like, why not share with my fabulous divas? And I felt like it would be a way that I can connect with you guys as well, because you know we always have to make sure our makeup and our hair is on point, but we also need to make sure our nails is on point. So I thought that that would be just like nice, and like I said, another way for me to connect with you guys, because we can wear nails together and stuff like that. So anywho, let's just jump right into the video. I wanted to let you guys know like how the sets will come packaged and everything, and what will be what basically. So let's just jump right in. Okay, so as I told you guys before, my nail company is called Nailed Glam and I have press-on nails. The orders are ready to ship. So each nail box comes with 20 nails, which is size 0 through 9, and they are 2 of each size. So of course you will be able to find your size because there's so many nails in there. So this is how it will come inside. So it will come inside a small jewelry gift box, and then you will also have the name of your set on the back, which you can see that on the site, and you can also see pictures of the nails so that you can see which one that you would like. When you first open the box, you will get a orange stick, which this will help you to push back your cuticles and make sure you know, right before you apply your nails and everything, it's good for that, or whatever you would like to use it for. I don't like to tell people what to do, because sometimes I will use it to kind of like press my nail down, so you can use it for whatever you like. So it does come, it does come with an orange stick, and then it also comes with a mini file. The mini file color will vary. I did choose to get colorful ones just because I thought that that would be more fun, because my company is kind of like it's kind of semi monochromatic, so I was like, okay, you know what, I'm just going to add some type of pop of color in there. So anywho, it will come with a mini file like this, so you'll be able to file down your nail bed or whatever you want to use it for. Like I said, I'm not telling you what to use it for, but I just want to let you guys know that it will come with an orange stick as well as a nail file. So once you open it up, you will notice that there is cotton there. I like to keep it there just because I noticed that it does like help to keep the nails in place so that they're not like falling and sliding like all over everywhere. So then of course you will have your nail set. So this is, all of my sets come with a set of 20. So this set in particular is the nude set. My nails are also all gel, so they are all gel and very nice quality, so you don't have to worry about like it being polished or chipping, which there are some nice nail lacquers out there. You guys can let me know like if you guys ever want me to do like polish sets, but for now all of my sets are gel. So but anywho, so this is the set in nude, and I absolutely love nude. I actually made a post on Nail Glam, but you guys should definitely follow me on Instagram so we can communicate with each other about these nails. And I also do feature anybody who makes a purchase and you hashtag Nail Glam, and also tag me in that and let me know that you want to be featured, or if you just tag me in it, I will more than likely just feature you. So anywho, this is what the set looks like. I will show you guys up close so you guys can see how it looks. So on camera they are appearing a little bit pink, but they are more of a nude color. On the website you can see more of the true color. So yeah, this is what they look like up close, but they are very nice and glossy because they are gel. So as of now I have the longer sets in this type of box, so the shorter box, and this is what it looks like. And I'm also going to show you guys what the short nails come in. But yeah, I wanted to show you guys this set. This is actually one of, well, all of them are my favorite obviously, but I love nude because I feel like nude matches in somebody's collar. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys like what it looks like up close and everything. And this is how my longer sets come as of now. I'm thinking of converting all of them over to this shorter box. I kind of like this one a lot better than the longer box, but for now the shorter sets come in the longer box and the longer sets come in this box. So yeah, if you get a long set, this is pretty much what it's gonna look like for this moment. So this is what the shorter nails will come in, and so yeah, it's the longer rectangular box, which like I said, I'm more of a fan with just with my little experience. I am more of a fan of the larger boxes, so I may convert over to those. I'm not too certain yet, but I'm thinking about it. So anywho, this is how they would come. I just grabbed a random set out of my inventory. So the one that I have here is Sweet Bling. So I do have bling sets as well as just solid sets, so it just depends on what your taste is. I am going to of course add more, like many more styles, but I do have quite a bit for you guys to choose from. You guys can find something that you like. So anywho, when you open the box, it does have the cotton as it does in the other one, just because I feel like it kind of keeps the nails in place, and especially when I ship them out to you guys. So here's what the set looks like. So this set in particular comes with like this beautiful lilac-y pinkish type of color, and then it comes with 4 customized bling nails, which I absolutely love bling. Like I feel like it is so nice when you have like that touch of bling. So that is why I created Sweet Bling, and I created all of the nails on my site with my bare hands. Like they are all handmade by yours truly. So yeah, but anywho, so this is what it looks like, and of course I'm going to go ahead and get closer, and you can also go on the website, and I will leave these 2 links, the 2 that I'm showing in this video, down in the description box below, in case you guys want to take a closer look, and also for the lighting purposes, because sometimes my camera will like make it look like a whole nother color, but on the photos on the website it's a lot more accurate, because I had to make sure that you guys can see like what color you'd be getting. Okay, so yeah, this one is coming up really nice with the color, but here is Sweet Bling. So as you guys can see, it has like that nice little touch of bling in there, and then it has the rest of the nails, and of course it comes with 20, as all of my sets do. So yeah, this one is beautiful Sweet Bling. So another thing I wanted to mention, although all the information that you need to know as far as anything is on the website, and there's also a section where you can contact me. It will go to me directly, so you can contact me if you have any questions or anything like that. But yeah, so I wanted to talk to you guys about shipping. So as far as shipping goes, I am going to ship via USPS. So it should be like 2-day priority. Yeah, so yeah, it should be 2-day priority, and I will ship out the order because it is ready to ship. I will ship it out 2 to 3 days after I receive the order. Okay, so that is how it will go. So it will be 2 to 3 business days. Okay, 2 to 3 business days. I want to make sure I'm saying everything right. Everything is on the website because I'm trying to go off my memory, which is not that good, but everything is on the website, so definitely check that. But the order will ship out 2 to 3 business days after your order is placed. And keep in mind business days, because some people get confused and they're like, why didn't you ship out my order when they've ordered wigs from me? And I'm like, it's 2 to 3 business days. So yeah, so just bear that in mind. I also wanted to share a coupon code with you guys, which is Diva Free Ship. If you guys order $50 or more, you will get free shipping. So make sure you just enter that code at the end at your checkout, and you'll be good to go. You'll get free shipping. So as long as you get, $50 or more worth of stuff. But yeah, divas, I just want to say thank you guys so much, because I'm getting this video up late and some of you guys have already supported me, and I greatly appreciate it. Like, I really feel the love, and I really do appreciate it. And I also want to let you guys know that once the Nail Glam Instagram gets to 100 followers, I will be doing a giveaway, so definitely go ahead and follow me over there. And of course I will be announcing the giveaway on this channel as well, because you guys know I cannot leave my divas out. But definitely make sure you guys are following Nail Glam, because once we get to 100 followers, then we will be doing a giveaway. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for your support. Thank you guys for just all the well wishes, because I told you guys I'm doing this video late, but better late than never. But thank you guys so much, because like I just feel like overwhelmed with love, which is not a bad thing. I love it. So thank you guys so much for supporting me. I greatly appreciate it. If you guys do have any questions or anything like that, you could definitely leave them in the the comment section below, or you can email me directly onto my site. I will go ahead and respond to you. But yeah, divas, make sure you guys check out the links in the description box below. It'll be the site, the links to the site, as well as the sets that I showed you guys in the video today. But thank you so much, and I'll see you fabulous girls in my next video. Bye.